fan, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time since I've sat down, done a review video or a haul in a really long time, and I'm really excited about this one because I'm working with a company that I'm lucky to work with in the past. Several years ago I worked with them a few times and I'm working with them again this time. It is Shapermint. I love Shapermint. If you guys know, you may have seen me in a few of their ads that they put on YouTube, but they have come out with a real commercial, on TV type commercial, and it is so funny. I'm so excited that I get to work with them again. It is called Remember Dressed. It's a commercial about like remember dressed, like if it was like, no, it's just so funny. I'm gonna link the commercial down below. Basically, you know, in 2020 we were all home so much more. I have forgotten what it's like to get dressed, to feel great. Like today I got fully dressed, my hair, my makeup, I'm feeling really good. And Shapermint is all about body positivity, loving your body. Our bodies tell a story. Our scars, our rolls, our stretch marks, they tell a story. My body story would tell you that I've played sports, that I've breastfed babies for a total of 3 years. You could definitely, my body is definitely telling you that one. Our bodies are absolutely amazing in how they tell a story. Shapermint is all about the uniqueness of your body and, you know, loving your body, being confident in your body. Huge thing I love about Shapermint the most. They are not out here trying to push the perfect body on you. They're out here pushing women to love the body that they're in, to be confident in the body they're in, to produce products that are both high quality, affordable, and comfortable, but mainly with the goal of all those making a woman feel fantastic, to really just walk out with her head held high like, I am awesome, I look great, I feel great. That is what Shapermint is all about, and I absolutely love that about the company, and I stand behind that 100%. I have 3 children, so I've had 3 full-term pregnancies, and I did breastfeed them like I had just mentioned, each child for a full year. I'm currently still breastfeeding my son who just turned a year old. So my body, you know, has been stretched to its limits, and when you breastfeed, these change significantly. I have extra fluff where I don't want it, specifically like my love handles area, my back area, you know, like that bra fat. You know, that's not my most favorable feature about myself, but it's there, and it's there because I've had babies. I'm grateful for those very healthy babies. So let's get into a little haul of what I picked out. First, get your box. I love their packaging, cute pink box and packaging. And it came with this little Shapermint, like a catalog. It talks more about their products, what products they have, and tells like little bits of information. I love that every single thing that you choose does come individually packaged and labeled and exactly what it is. It's really nicely organized and nicely packaged. How cute are these stickers that they gave me that came in my little catalog? I'm totally going to be using these in my planner. My first item I'm pulling out is my Empetua Scoop Neck Cami Comfort All Day Every Day. Ooh, it is so nice and thick. Look how stretchy that is. My goodness, I love that. That it's not super short either. It's pretty long. If you look up close, you could see it, which you have to look up really close. You could see a different texture in the design, both on the sides to help maybe like pull your waist in. The change in material, unless you have someone like this close to you, which is pretty close, they might notice that there's a difference in material. But other than that, you could totally wear this with like a cute cardigan. Oh my gosh. This, I feel absolutely, I would just like wear this like a bodysuit actually. I feel so comfortable right now. I need more in other colors, all the colors. Give me all the colors. I need all of them. I love it. Let's put a cardigan on with it. Obviously, you can put a shirt on over this or a dress, but it's also super cute as is. Like, love. I bloat like crazy when I'm PMSing, so this is awesome for that. When you want to feel cute but you don't want to feel like yucky and bloated in your outfit, like say if we were going on a date, for some reason that always seems to happen when I'm PMSing and I don't feel my best. So this helps me feel amazing. The best part is, which is usually my con for any kind of shapewear cami, is they totally smash your boobs and you have like one smushed uni boob. Not the case with this. The material, like I said, the difference in material, they stop it at the breast area so that you're not getting those smushed down. We want those lifted up, not down, up. Shout out to Shapermint for being very smart with that. I really love that about this Cami. Okay, what's the next goodie? My Empetua Rule Your Destiny Shaper Panty, high-waisted. High-waisted, everything should be high-waisted, I feel like. It is the best thing ever. I'm wearing high-waisted jeans at this current moment. Now, I've been lucky enough to be able to try these before and are still holding up wonderful. These are awesome. They actually help your booty department. Again, like how we don't want to smash these, we also don't want to smash this, especially if you're like me and don't have a booty. This helps you so much in giving you that little bit of your booty that you do have there. It's not smushing your butt down. It's allowing your booty to be banging, doing everything you want in regards to tummy control, shapewear, and the greatest part is rubber grip lining around the band. It's a double lined, which is great. It does not roll down. It stays where you put it. It's always so frustrating when you have your shapewear high-waisted panties on and like you have it rolling down and like your rolls are rolling with it. Not with these. These are not moving. They're sticking where you put them until you want them to come on. Next, this is the thing I'm most excited about. I say I hesitate because there is another thing that I'm also really excited to get but these I'm really excited for. So this is the Empetua High-Waisted Active Control Leggings. Yes, please. High-waisted leggings that are also gonna make me look and feel, whoa. Whoa, these are pretty soft. I was not expecting these to be as like buttery as they are. These are very nice feeling. Ooh la la, heck yeah. Noticing they do look a little big. I pretty much went medium with everything and followed the size guidelines they had, but I might need to exchange these ones for a size smaller, but we'll see. Let's throw them on and see. Are a little big. I'm gonna try and exchange these for a size smaller, but these are by far my new favorite leggings. I'm loving that it has a front pocket here. If I go on walks outdoors, I do typically stick my phone in this little pocket. Mainly, which every legging company out there should be doing this. If you're not, your leggings aren't gonna get an A+ in my book. Shapermint, you are smart. You put the best pocket, the pocket right here on the legs. Like you just can't go wrong with pockets on leggings. Like yes, they're on both sides. Absolutely awesome. Are these see-through or not? Let's put them to the test. Totally not see-through. That's the worst when leggings are see-through. These could not be any better of leggings. These have definitely just quickly probably became my favorite leggings. Okay, and then last but not least, the other product I'm almost most excited for, they're like tied for first, the leggings and this right here, is the Truekind Daily Comfort Wireless Shaper Bra. Yes, I want this. All my bras are nursing bras. Absolutely. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh, yes. All of my bras are nursing bras. And I'm ready for some not nursing bras. How comfortable does this look right now? Super stretchy like you want, and it's going to help me with one of my biggest insecurities, which is my bra fat area. I have that, you know, like extra little roll that just makes me feel insecure, and to know I could put this on and it tucks it away and I could just feel so confident is awesome. I love how thick these straps are. They're not going to be digging into my shoulders. The cups are sewn on. I hate when the cups are falling out always. Look at that design right there. The cups are sewn in and they're not going anywhere. This makes my boobs feel lifted and up. I feel like I have nice boobs again. Yeah, you know, I don't feel that amazing with my boobs. I mean, I'm so grateful for being able to nurse my children for as long as I have, but it has changed my breasts for what they are, and this bra is making me feel like, ooh la la, hey husband. So anyway, I so encourage you guys to check out Shapermint. Self-love is one of the best kinds of love. Love who you are, love your uniqueness, love that body that you have. Whether it's the stretch marks or the extra rolls or the maybe a little more sag where you don't want it. Love that body. That body has done so much for you, and it tells the story of who you are, where you've been, what you've done. Don't forget to check out the links that I have below. Check out that great commercial. It's so awesome. If you need a mood lifter, that's it right there. It's awesome. I did watch it like 2 or 3 times. And check out my coupon code down below in the description box and all the details there if you want to check out any of these items I showed you, or just look at Shapermint's website. You will see so many other products that you might want to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.